Hi everyone, today is Monday. I just got to the gym. I'm gonna train some lower body and then go home and relax and finish editing my video so I can get it uploaded tonight. Hello everyone, today is Monday. I'm getting off to a late start. I didn't do cardio this morning. I got to bed too late. But I'm here. I'm going to train upper body, and I do have to mention that I'm extremely sore from lower body yesterday. My hamstrings and my butt are very, very sore. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Okay, so I totally just realized that I thought it was Monday and it's definitely Tuesday. Why do I always do this? Today is Wednesday. On my way to go do cardio. I had a weird start to the week. I haven't done cardio since Saturday, but that's all right. I'm on my way to go work out now. I will see you guys later. Good morning. Today is Thursday. On my way to do cardio. I did not train last night. I ended up just going out for dinner. I had wine, which I don't usually drink, so I was like passing out at like 8:30 last night. But anyway, I got a lot of rest, and I'm just gonna go and get some cardio in. I woke up a little later than I wanted to, but no worries. Okay, so I just finished my cardio. It wasn't so bad. I felt like I looked like a zombie earlier. I did not take pre-workout today. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. Sometimes it gives me a headache, or it's just I want to enjoy my coffee. And not that it ever stopped me from having coffee, but anyway, I'll see you guys later tonight. Hopefully I can make it to the gym. I've been really bad this week. Oh well, I'm here. Put in the work. That's what matters. crud. That was an amazing workout. I killed my lower body. I mainly focused on, I guess, just my glutes. I started with leg press and I supersetted with, I can't even think right now, walking lunges. And then I did the next superset, which was single leg press. Those always kill me. Superset with curtsy lunges. And then I moved on. I did some hip thrusts with a dumbbell, but I used like a hip circle that goes around your knees. But the one I ordered a long time ago, the resistance is so tight that it's just like, it's a nightmare to use, but I use it anyway. And then I just finished with some cable kickbacks, and I did not realize that my workout was like over an hour. I don't usually stay at the gym for that long, but it was a really good workout. I feel really good. And I'm gonna go home and have dinner and fold some laundry. I'll see you guys later. Why is it 89 degrees out and I have my seat warmers on? Hello, happy Saturday. I just meeting up with a friend for lunch. I don't know what I'm gonna do after. I'm either gonna go to the gym or meet up with my family at the beach. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm gonna play it by ear. I'm not a person that really like makes plans. I just go based off of how I feel. But anyway, I'm gonna eat some good food and we'll see what I do later. Hello everyone. It is Saturday evening. I went to the beach. And then I was gonna try to go to the gym like afterwards, but they close at 7 on Saturday, so I didn't have time. So I am somehow finding the energy to do cardio right now. And lunch was good. It was really small. I'll insert a clip.
Come on, cheese.
Yeah, it was small, which was fine. I was satisfied. It was Mexican food. It was good. And now I'm gonna do some cardio. I'll see you guys later. So I finished cardio. That was amazing. 45 minutes, the usual. Now I'm gonna go inside and relax. I'll see you guys tomorrow.